histology of the, see these are a group of serous glands. So many serous glands, especially seen towards the anterior two-thirds, beneath the anterior two-thirds or the dorsum of the tongue. Okay. So this is the, now as you go towards the posterior of the tongue, you will see lot of mucus glands. So towards the anterior two-thirds, you will see lot of collection of serous glands, but towards the posterior one-third, you will see lot of mucus glands. So this is the dorsum of the tongue. Let's see if you can see the ventral surface on this slide. Posterior portion, what you see here, lymphoid follicles. We don't see the ventral aspect here on this slide. These are the skeletal muscle fibers which are stained brown. These are the serous acini, the ducts. These are the adipose tissue cells. The mucous glands, these are the group of serous glands, the mucous glands, adipose tissue, connective tissue fibers, skeletal muscle fiber here, and here you can see what papilla is this? What papilla is this? The circumvallate papilla. And what do you see here? These are the taste buds. You can see a lot of collagen fibers here in the central core of the lamina propria of the circumvallate papilla here. Here in the posterior aspect of the tongue, the posterior one-third of the tongue, where you can see it appears smooth, you should be seeing deep to the epithelium, we should be seeing a lot of lymphoid follicles which are not appreciated in this slide, but I will show you another slide where you will see the lymphoid follicles, but appreciate these mucosal glands where you can see they increase in number as we go towards the posterior one-third of the tongue. And you can see the mucosa shows projections. These are the raised lymphoid aggregates. These projections are not of papillae, but on the posterior one-third of the tongue, what is it made up of? It's made up of collections of lymphoid tissue which are known as lymphoid nodules. Alright, so that's why that posterior one-third portion of the tongue is also known as the lingual tonsil. Right, posterior one-third of the tongue is also known as the lingual tonsil. It is covered by same mucosa stratified squamous non-keratinized variety of epithelium, okay, which shows folds. These are the lymphoid aggregates and small depressions which are known as the crypts. And deep to the epithelium in the lamina propria, we should be seeing a lot of lymphoid aggregations, which is not appreciated in this slide, but I will show you another slide. And here you can see deep to that in the central core, you can see lot of what type of acini? Mucus acinus. Lot of mucus glands here. And here you can see the skeletal muscle fibers here. So this is the posterior one-third of the tongue. This is the lingual tonsil. It is the region of the lingual tonsil. So just beneath the epithelium here, beneath the mucosa, right? So you can see these are the lymphoid aggregations or nodules. Alright. So these are the aggregations of lymphocytes which are placed just beneath the epithelium. So this is along the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. You can also see some taste buds also here, some taste buds which are seen in the soft palate, also along the anterior surface of the epiglottis. These are the lymphoid follicles present beneath the mucosa. And deep to that you can see, am I audible? The mic is not working. The posterior 1/3 of the tongue, these collections together form the lingual tonsil, and beneath the epithelium you can see this aggregation of lymphocytes. This is known as the lymphoid follicle. This is known as the lymphoid follicle. And deep to that you can see this group of mucus acini, mucus secreting glands in the posterior 1/3 of the tongue. The ducts will open along the surface of the epithelium. And here you can see the central core, which is made up of the skeletal muscle fibers. You can see lot of adipose tissue here. See, lot of fat cells or adipocytes. Now the ventral surface of the tongue is lined by stratified squamous, non-keratinized variety of epithelial lining, and it doesn't show any surface projections. What is this structure here? What is this structure? It's an arteriole or a venule? It's a venule. So the ventral surface of the tongue is lined by stratified squamous, non-keratinized variety of epithelium without any surface projections or papillae. Alright, and deep to that, deep to the mucosal lining, you will see aggregation of glands, mixed glands. Predominantly you will see mucous glands, you will also see collection of serous glands. Alright. This is the portion of which part of the tongue? This is what surface of the tongue? Pardon? The dorsum of the tongue or the ventral surface? Dorsum. And the pointer is there on which papillae? Filiform papillae.